Today we're going to explore one thing rich people buy that the poor don't, so sit back, relax and hit that like button. Continue watching until the end because I will share a secret tip with you the rich do not want you to know about. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, just a guide to how I manage my finances and invest my time and money. Question: what assets do you currently have? Comment below. The poor and middle class. The typical daily routine of an individual who is a part of the poor or middle class may involve waking up early and either driving, walking, or taking the bus to a workplace. The average commute takes around 58.4 minutes. That is nearly 1 hour of your life that you will never have again. Once it's gone, it's gone. I do understand that we are changing with the times. Due to the global quarantine, people are no longer travelling to a workplace. Their workplace comes to them. They can now work from home using the internet. You will start to see this as a more permanent situation as society begins to transition to a more remote working lifestyle. However, this hour is still wasted as people begin to watch more television. Time is a valued commodity. Rich people buy time and poor people exchange time for money. This is one of the fundamental differences between the rich and the poor. Here is an example of how you can buy time. Many poor or middle class individuals believe that their house is an asset. This is incorrect. Your house is in fact a liability. An asset produces income. Rather than taking money out of your pocket, it puts money into your pocket. Buy stocks, real estate and businesses, not your house, cars or clothes. When the average person views a wealthy individual, they see the end product. They don't see all the sleepless nights, hard work and dedication. This applies to how you view someone's earning ability. For example, the average person works a 9-to-5 job for roughly 40 years of their life. That 40 years you will never get back. You hear on the news that there is this 23-year-old tech entrepreneur who worked on an idea for 5 years of their life and just sold their company to Facebook for $1.5 billion. It's not how long you spend on something, it's how you spend that time. The majority of people are missing this fundamental life lesson, so they waste their lives away hoping for the best. I believe if you actively work towards a goal, your time will be better spent and you will see the results. What do I buy? Of course, you need to read the success stories and view the end products, because this will drive you forwards and motivate you every day. But remember, if you want to eventually purchase the finer things in life, buy assets first that produce income, then use that income to buy the sports cars, luxury yachts and jets. Using this method, you leverage other people's time and money to buy the liabilities in your life. This may be difficult to understand at first, but once you have made your first dollar not exchanging your time for money, you will see the difference. Recap. Do not waste your time watching television, because this could potentially cause you to lose hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per day. Time is a valued commodity, so treat it as such. Buy assets that produce income, not liabilities that lose you money. Only buy things that do not require you exchanging time for money to purchase. Secret tip. If you've been watching this video up until this point, it's time for your secret tip the rich do not want you to know about. How much do you make per hour? Take how much you make in a month. Let's say $4,000 after tax. Divide $4,000 by 730 equals $5.4 per hour. Your time is worth $5.4 per hour of every day and every night. I want you to challenge yourself to get this number above $17 per hour to be truly wealthy. Next time you look at a designer pair of shoes or Louis Vuitton jacket, work out how many hours you need to work to buy that item. Now you know, ladies and gentlemen, the one thing rich people buy that the poor don't. One day, after implementing these strategies into your life, you can witness firsthand how true wealth is built. If you learnt something today, then I would kindly ask you to hit that like button if you haven't already. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you are notified about all my new videos. If you want 2 free stocks worth up to £100 to £200, there is a link in the video description. Be sure to check out the videos on screen now, as I know you'll enjoy watching them. Also, don't miss out on all the fun things happening on my Twitter and Reddit. Cheers guys, and I'll be seeing you next time.